Hi wiring winners, Jay from Simtek. Well, this is our case study again. We've had a bit of a pause on the videos and we'll do some more because this is almost ready to go. One thing we've done the last few days is we got the ECU. We haven't tested it, haven't powered it up and things. I'm a little reticent to do that because I prefer the customer, as I've not really worked with the ME equipment. Looks brilliant to me. I've had a look at the software, but we're a bit busy with other projects, so learning that as well has just put me off from actually trying to power it all up and start it. However, we've modified the casing here for the customer, and we've modified the casing here because this customer has gone for the 4-pack coils, and personally the best way of running those is sequential. Otherwise, what's the point? Keep with the standard coils. So that means this additional plug here, and we've included the lambda wiring into the system, comes through down here, and that makes it neater. So we've shortened the little wire down for him, brought it out of the back of the casing. This is pretty much now how it will be assembled. When he comes to collect, we might take this all off because I think he's got an open trailer, so it would be better if the electronics were not out in the open. But we've had a great time doing this for the customer. I'm very thankful to him for allowing us to video it. So hopefully we'll see you again. If you like these videos, keep watching. I'm going to try and do a lot more now, and we'll speak to you again soon. Ta for now.